Good morning and welcome to the Trinity Biomedical Science Institute.
Breakthrough result in the computer vision, natural language processing and speech recognition.
65mm print to watch. It's about 15,000 feet of physical film.
Mobile phones, wearable cameras, and then I move on towards flying cameras.
Today I will first briefly overview what is the problem of Real ID. I will highlight a few challenges people are currently solving.
The good news, though, is that if you train your networks with noisy data, it seems the CovNets are relatively robust to label noise.
A key opportunity for us as the academic community and the thought leaders in this space to really help accelerate this stuff into the market.
And the way to improve to get a CVPR paper, but just you add some people detection before the tracking, and that's where you boost your results.
Then it's also related to multimodal interfaces, but the difference is here we are looking at human-to-human communication, so we don't have the computer in the loop. So we are looking at the out-of-the-loop type of problems.
So this is the story really of Havoc, and intertwined with that is a thought process around how the character technology used in games has evolved.
Intel paid so much money, not for autonomous driving, but for collecting data, because when you have millions of cars on the road with cameras, they see anything that happens in the universe.
And YouTube started streaming and proved the idea that you could stream video over the internet. But it was still all about infrastructure.
I think Intel puts like 40 cameras in stadiums, 5D cameras, and they are able to do this visualizations. So they have to freeze the motion and then they can fly around this camera path.
You assume that in your scene there will be somewhere a white patch, right? And if it's not white, it's because of the influence of the color of the light source.
People from industry have one more step where they actually deploy that system in a practical application. But it's kind of generally assumed that once you deploy the system, it can go on and classify images, process images forever after.
And there's no universal ground truth. There's no such thing as the correct caption for a video, because a video can say so many things, even in 6 seconds. So what we found is that there were some similar videos which look visually similar.
Obviously, we are interested in face recognition, not only in the context of security applications, but also for secure transactions and for access control or whatever.
See you next year, and please have a glass of wine. Thank you.